Welcome back to Foam Rolling 101. In this video, we are focused on the inner thigh, or adductors. These muscles are essential for knee and pelvic stability, as well as hip and back alignment. Foam rolling this area will aid in releasing tension and improving overall function of this crucial spot. To set up, position your foam roller on the floor and lie on your side, aligning it in front of you. Ensure your body is fully aligned with your elbow under your shoulder and ribs slightly lifted as if preparing for a side plank. Bend your top leg to 90 degrees with the knee even at the hip, placing the inside of the knee on the foam roller. Support yourself on your forearm and lift your lower hip slightly. If you need, lower both forearms down for support, similar to an elbow plank, and continue your work comfortably. Make small, intentional passes back and forth, working your way from the inside of your knee to your groin. Aim to keep your discomfort manageable, below a 6 out of 10 pain threshold. If you're operating above that threshold, try a softer roller. Be on the lookout for tender spots as you work. These spots are indicative of knots or adhesions, which will disrupt normal muscle function. To address these areas, pause on the tender spot and either windshield wiper the foot, keeping your knee bent, or extend and flex the leg a couple of times. Feel free to try both methods, but make sure that you stay on that spot as you do them. If you're doing this as part of a warm-up, you'll want to spend about 60 seconds on each side. If this is part of a deeper mobility or injury prevention routine, feel free to take as long as you need. Thanks for joining, and I look forward to guiding you through the next one.